I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I am in my bedroom today, and as you can see I have a giant trunk club behind me. I opened it up a little bit. This thing is massive. I kind of had written off trunk club because they were not sending me things that I liked and I felt really frustrated. But then I saw that I had $100 credit from referrals from you guys using my referral link. I signed up for trunk club like any normal person would, so it's not like I have any sort of affiliation. I'm not sponsored or anything. I have to pay for this. But when you guys used my referral link, a couple of you, I guess, actually spent money, and so I have $100 credit, which is awesome. So then I was like, okay, well maybe I'll try it again since, you know, I can get basically $100 worth of free clothes, which is like one item because let's face it, all the trunk club stuff is really expensive. So anyway, let's try it on and see if we can't find a way to spend that $100, huh? Okay, so the first thing in here is this cardigan, the Lemon Drop Hooded Cardigan by Free People. And it's very oversized, big, you know, lightweight wool. My issue with this is that it's very itchy and not flattering or cozy. So I kind of just don't like anything about this. So that's a bummer. Okay, that's piece number one. Okay, so this is the Mariah wrap maxi dress from Show Me Your Mumu. This dress is so lovely. It is a wrap dress and it has a button inside, so you wrap it here and button it, and then you wrap it across back this way and you tie it in a bow, and then it has a little cleavage hooker thing right there so that your boobs aren't popping out. And I love the color. The material is so flowy and gorgeous, and it's actually too long for me, which is awesome. I'm 5'9", and so a lot of times I struggle with clothes being too short on me, especially long dresses tend to go like just above my ankle. So this one actually hits the floor with heels on. This is for really tall people. I absolutely love this dress. I just think it's gorgeous. It is $180. I mean, even with my $100 credit, I don't know. It's so pretty though, and Valentine's Day is coming up. Some Vince Camuto shoes. These are Corlina ankle strap sandal by Vince Camuto. These are $99.95, and you know, you can see the detail on them, and it's kind of like a canvas material. They've got the chunky heel. This back here comes way up high on your ankle, which I thought was going to be really uncomfortable, but turns out it's not, because it doesn't like hit me when I'm walking, you know. It has a little, I don't know. Anyway, it's not uncomfortable. And then just the little strap. So I think that these are cute. Now, I don't like chunky heels, but I know chunky heels are very in right now, and I love Vince Camuto shoes, and you know, for having a chunky heel, I do still like these. I think that they are very wearable. They could go with a ton of things. So I don't know, we'll think on that. Some more shoes, these over-the-knee boots. These have a little shorty heel on them. I mean, they look like riding boots. They also have a really pointy toe. I tend to not like pointy toes because I feel like they make my feet look bigger, and these ones happen to be really uncomfortable on that part of my foot. Like, it's just very narrow and very stiff up here. Like, I mean, it feels like steel-toed boots. It's very stiff and narrow and just really uncomfortable. I love over-the-knee boots. I think they're very sexy and very in right now. The heel though is killing me. This little short heel, like the boot would be fine if it had a better heel on it. Okay, so this is the dress that I actually tried on because I thought that I might wear it on my last date night. I really don't actually like it though. I thought it was going to be super cute. I like the wrap dress style, the asymmetrical, you know, short in front, long in the back. This one does have a little slip, so if you're, you know, walking in the wind, your goods are covered. I don't know, even the pattern doesn't bother me too much, except that I do feel like it's a lot, and I think it's the sleeves. Like, if this were sleeveless, I think that I would really like it, but the sleeves just kind of kill it for me. I really thought that I was going to like this. Next thing in here is this Boatneck tunic sweater from Halogen. This is just a very plain and boring red sweater, but it's very soft and a nice thin material, good for layering. It does have a boat neck, which I like, you know, but it's just very basic, which there's nothing wrong with that. A lot of times you want basic items in your wardrobe, you know, that you can layer or wear with something else, or, you know, just sometimes you don't feel like dressing up all that much. Okay, this one I did not think I was going to like. It's a cold shoulder sweater. It's kind of a thin material and it fits nicely, not tight but not baggy. My issue was I didn't think that I was going to like this ruffle right here, because those tend to look like clown shirts on me, and I don't know, I haven't found any that I like. But this one was not offensive. I actually kind of liked this, you know. I like the cold shoulder, and I don't know, the ruffle didn't really bother me, I don't think. So, you know, maybe. This little sweater, it has like those bat sleeves, and it's kind of short. It's not really cropped, but it's definitely shorter, and it looks very teenager-y to me. Like, I put it on and I was like, this is kind of cute. Like, I could totally see this on a teenager. On me, I feel like it's okay, it's fine, but it's not super wonderful. You know what I mean? But the material is very nice. It's soft, lightweight, and yeah, I mean, it's not bad. It's by BP, Total Teenager, right? Okay, they sent me these jeans. I do think I might have actually asked for distressed jeans because I don't have any distressed jeans. So they sent me these ones, which are also by BP. And they are distressed, but they are also cropped. Also, the fit of these jeans just isn't quite right. I think it's one of those, you know, where it's a little too tight on your thighs and a little too big on the booty. You probably wouldn't even notice watching the video, but they just feel like they fit a little awkwardly. I don't know, I mean, they're cute, and it could just be because, you know, my thighs are a little extra chubby right now. I don't know. Oh, and this I really thought I was going to love. It's a faux leather jacket, and it has this zipper up the front, which you can wear either completely zipped or you can fold out the lapels, and it has little snaps on the side. And it has a little like poplum waist thing here, which I thought was so cute. I was really excited about this, but I feel like it just doesn't look cute on me. It almost looks a little bit big, and I can't quite get it to look right. Like, if it's all the way zipped up, it's okay. But if you leave it unzipped at all, it just looks really weird and boxy and awkward. It's not quite right. Again, with that like almost, which is a bummer because I really thought I was going to love this. It looked so cute in the pictures. It just doesn't fit me quite right. So that's a bummer. And then the last thing in here is this camel sweater, and it's like an off the shoulder like fold over thing. I never know how to wear these things. I always feel so awkward. Like, you'll see it in a picture and you're like, oh, that's so cute. And then I put it on and I'm like, is this how it's supposed to go? Why do my boobs look like they're down on my belly button? And, you know, and then like you go to do something and it raises above your shoulders, so you're just kind of doing this all day. It's just, I just always feel so awkward in these types of things. And this sweater is a very thick, kind of stiff, itchy material. So the material alone kills it for me. That's a bummer because I thought the style was really cute. It just, you know, I feel awkward wearing this. Somebody's got to teach me how to do this. Okay, so that is my trunk. What do you guys think? I have $100 to spend. Thank you, by the way, for that, for using my referral code. And definitely, if you end up getting a trunk club, make sure you share your referral code with your friends so that you too can get credit when they buy stuff. I don't know, I'll think about it. I definitely want to hear your guys' feedback. Let me know what you would keep if you had $100 to spend. Also, if you haven't already seen it, I just recently posted a trend send video, and I really liked my trend send box. I feel like my trend send really gets my style and is like, here's some cute fun things, whereas with Trunk Club I feel she's more like trying to push me into current fashion trends that I'm being a little more resistant. So I'm going to keep something in this box, and I'm going to try to be, you know, trendy or something. I don't know, you guys. Help, I don't know what to do. Is it really just me? I'm so difficult. I know I am. None of my like friends or family will ever go clothes shopping with me. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave your feedback. I want to know what you think, and if you guys have any of these boxes that you get, what you think of them and how your stylist is with you. I think mine hates me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!